Now look at this number 1. It says 4a squared times 2a raised to power 3. The one we did, we have it to be only a as the base. So that one, we are going to pick one of them. We add the powers. But in this case, we have 4 here, we have 2. All right. So what you are going to do here is you are going to multiply the coefficient. Your business here should be the base. So far, the base are the same. These are the bases, this and this, the one carrying the power. These are the coefficients. Okay, so what you need to do is to multiply this as you see it here. That will be 4 times 2. Then a, you pick one of them. This is where you apply the laws of indices, the multiplication law, where you add the powers. Okay, so in this case, what do we do? 4 times 8 and 2 is 8. Then a raised to the power 5. So that is the final answer. Now look at this number 2. It says 5x raised to the power minus 3. You don't, if it is 5x raised to the power 3, of course, that is the final answer. But if it is a negative, you have to break it down. I can separate this. What brings this together is 5 times x raised to the power minus 3. Some students will say 5x raised to the power minus 3 as 1 over this. This is very wrong. Okay? Because the power is only for x. So now I've separated it. 5 is standing alone. Then we've done this negative index. Whenever you have a negative power, what do? You write the reciprocal over the same positive index. So that's going to be this. So by the time you have 5 times 1, that is 5 over this. So you can see the transformation from here to here. So that is the final answer. Whenever you have something like this, you must solve it to stuff like that. And also, looking at this number 3, this is division, this is multiplication, the same thing. So what do? I'll divide this as it is same. My business is the base. Since they are the same, I'll pick one of them. But the number will be divided, while the number of this one will be multiplied. Okay, so that will be 9 over 81 as it is same. Then I'll pick one of the base, one of the bases, then we have here 2 minus, because law of division in indices, you subtract the powers. Multiplication, you add. Okay, so that will be 5. So what do? 9 here 1, 9 here 9. Some people just say 9. Don't ignore this one, especially when it is up. So that will be 1 over 9 x raised to the power what? Minus 3. It's giving you something like this. All right, so what do? We separate it as 1 over 9 times x raised to the power minus 3. Then you know what this one means. That gives us 1 over 9 times 1 over s cubed. And that gives me 1 times 1 is 1 over 9 s cubed.